Hello, boys and girls. This is Priyanshu Kaushik, and you're listening to Noobs Law School. In this video, I am going to talk about top 11 to 15 national law universities in India. If you are interested in knowing about top 10 national law universities in India, then I would like to refer you to the description box of this video where the link to the previous videos has been provided. So don't forget to make sure that you do watch those videos also. So let's get this video started. The very first university that is in my list is the Chanakya National Law University, Patna. Popularly known as CNLU, it was established in the year of 2004 and it offers various courses like 5-year integrated BLLB, 5-year integrated BBLLB. It also offers postgraduate courses like PhD and diploma. The basic seat intake is 138 seats per year. There are reservation provisions for that is 10% reservation for the EWS, that is economically weaker section. There is 16% reservation for the scheduled castes and 1% reservation for the scheduled tribe. There is another reservation provision that is extremely backward classes do possess 18% reservation and backward classes do possess 12% reservation. The women who belong to backward classes do also possess 3% reservation within the horizontal sense. Talking about the fee structure, you can see the fee structure by yourself and create a judgment by your own volition. The total fees which you are supposed to pay in this university is 2,26,000 rupees per year. Now talking about the placements, the median placement which you can expect in this university is something around 9 lakh per annum. Students from this university have secured placements in big law firms like RDA Legal Kolkata, Vadya Gandhi, KG Bhagat and Co. Analytics Legal Law Group firm. Okay, before moving forward, I would like to inform you about certain various courses which Unacademy is offering. The very first one is Educator Curated Test for CLAT, specifically created test by our top educators, and it is completely free for everyone. Another batch which is being provided by Unacademy is the Score Booster, basically a revision batch for CLAT 2022 and 2023 aspirants, and it is being prepared by NLU alumni. It is also going to start from 16th March and it is available in both Hindi and English language. Another batch which is the DU Dream Crash course. It is basically a 3-month course for DU LLB entrance examination for the year of 2020-22, and it is also going to start from 19th March and it is available in both Hindi and English. There is another batch named Law and Order. It is basically one-stop solution for CLAT 2024 students and it is also being prepared by NLU alumni, which is also going to start from 19th March and is available in both Hindi and English language. Now talking about the part of subscription, you can buy 1 month or maybe 3-month or 6-month subscription at your own volition. The best part about this subscription is that you do not have to pay the whole amount at once. Yes, you can pay the amount in installments, EMIs. Also, if you use my code, that is THRINATH10, if you use this code, you will get a 10% discount for sure on any subscription purchase, and there are chances that you might get even more than 10%. So do not forget to use my code while buying the subscription of Unacademy. Okay, the next university in this list is the National Law University and Judicial Academy that is situated in the state of Assam. It was established in the year of 2009 and it offers various courses like BLLB, that is a 5-year integrated course, and postgraduate courses like LLM and PhD. The total seat intake capacity is 60 seats per year and there are reservation provisions for SC being set at 7%, for STs, that is the scheduled tribes who live in plain areas, at 10%, and scheduled tribes who live in the hilly areas at 5%. Another 27% seats are reserved for the other backward classes and 5 seats out of those 60 are reserved for the permanent residents of the state of Assam. Now talking about the fee structure, you can see the fees chart at your own volition, and the total fees which you are supposed to pay per annual year is 2,24,000 rupees. Now talking about the placements, the median placement which you can receive in this college is between 5 to 7 lakh per annum, and students from this university have secured placements in various big legal law firms like Athena Legal, AK Singh and Associates, RSA Law Consultants. Because it is comparatively a very newer national law university as compared to others, it is doing very great in the sector of placements. Legal corporates like Thomson and Reuters visit this university for the placement purposes, so it's going great. Moving on to the next university, that is National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi. So NUALS, that is situated in Kochi, was established in the year of 2005, and it also offers same courses such, and it also offers courses like BA LLB, that is again a 5-year integrated course, LLM and PhD. The total seat intake capacity in this university is also 60 seats, and reservation for SC is being set at 8%. For the scheduled tribe, it is being set at 2%. For the state merit list, it is set at 9%, and 30% reservation of the seats is being set for the socially and educationally backward classes. Now, talking about the fee structure, the total fees, you can see the fees chart here, and the total fees which you are supposed to pay in this university for every year is 2,07,000 rupees. Now, moving on to the placement part, talking about the placements, the median placement which you can receive from this university is between 6 to 8 lakh per annum. Various corporates like Microsoft, Flipkart, Cisco, JP Morgan, etc. are supposed to have secured students from this university as placements. Overall, great record if compared with its establishment year. Now, moving on to the next university, it is the National University of Study and Research in Law, that is situated in the Ranchi. It was established in the year of 2010, and it offers various courses and such as 5-year integrated BLLB, 5-year integrated BBLLB, and LLM and PhD. The total seat intake capacity is 120 students. 50% seats out of 120 are being reserved for the domicile students from Jharkhand only, and the total distribution of seats is for people from SC community, 6 seats are being reserved. From people from ST community, 16 seats are being reserved. People from EBC, that is extremely backward category, 5 seats are being reserved, and people from backward communities have 3 seats reserved for them. Talking about the fee structure, the total fees which you are supposed to pay in this university is 2,27,000 per year. Talking about the placements, the median placement which you can expect in this university is between 5 to 6 lakh per annum. Various big corporate and law firms like All India Reporter, Eastern Book Company, L&T Finance Limited, Khatian and Co, etc. have secured students from this university as placeholders or maybe as interns in their law firm. Moving on to the next university, it is the Hidayatullah National Law University, that is situated in Raipur, popularly known as HNLU. HNLU basically was established in the year of 2003, and it offers various courses like BLLB, BBLLB, both are 5-year integrated course, and it also offers LLM and PhD in postgraduate degree. The total seat intake capacity in this university is 120 seats, and 50% of the seats out of 120 are being reserved for the domicile students from the state of Chhattisgarh. The seat distribution is basically simple, and the SC, that is scheduled caste, have 13 seats for themselves. The scheduled tribe have 6 seats, and other backward classes have 11 seats. Basically 30 seats are reserved. 30% of all the seats are reserved under the category of women. Talking about the fee structure, the total fees which you are supposed to pay in this university per year is 2,05,000 rupees. And now talking about the placements, the median placement in this university which you can expect is between 3.5 lakh to 4 lakh per annum. Now, students from this university have secured internships and placements in various big law firms and corporates like Singh and Associates, Trilegal, Marico Limited, HS Advocates, KG Bhatt & Co, ICICI Bank. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to use my code, that is THRINETH Trinath10, in order to get a 10% discount on the Unacademy subscription which you are going to purchase after watching this video. Thank you. Now, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like this video and press the subscribe button. Thank you. And if you want to know about the past videos, that is which are the top 10 national law universities in 2022, then you must refer to the description box of this video and watch those videos. Thank you.